Identifying the dependency relationship for Python packages installed with pip. When I do a pip freeze, I see large number of Python packages that I didn't explicitly install, for example. Is there a way for me to determine why pip installed these particular dependent packages? In other words, how do I determine the parent package that had these packages as dependencies? For example, I might want to use Twisted and I don't want to depend on a package until I know more about not accidentally uninstalling it or upgrading it.
You could try pipedeptree, which displays dependencies as a tree structure, for example. To get it run, edit. As noted by @Esteban in the comments, you can also list the tree in reverse with R or for a single package with P, package_name, so to find what installed vectsoik you could run.
The pip show command will show what packages are required for the specified package. Note that the specified package must already be installed. Pip show was introduced in pip version 1.4 RC5.
As I recently said on a HN thread, I'll recommend the following. Have a commented requirements.txt file with your main dependencies. Install your dependencies, pip install our requirements.txt. Now you get the full list of your dependencies with pip freeze our requirements.txt. This allows you to keep your file structure with comments, nicely separating your dependencies from the dependencies of your dependencies. This way you'll have a much nicer time the day you need to remove one of them. Smile. Note the following. You can have a clean, requirements.raw, with version control to rebuild your full, requirements.txt. Beware of get URLs being replaced by egg names in the process. The dependencies of your dependencies are still alphabetically sorted, so you don't directly know which one was required by which package, but at this point you don't really need it. Use pip install no install package_name to list specific requirements. Use virtualenv if you don't.
You may also use a one-line command which pipes the packages and requirements to pip show.
If all my thoughts are good, the oxygen is subscribing.